As much as I'd love to show you guys a $2 trick for this balancer, it's one thing I'm going to warn you against. This engine requires specific tools and specific installation instructions, and this part is no different. We actually have the tool installed as far as the part that goes into the crankshaft. I'm just giving you guys a final look at what it should look before you go to put your balancer on. As you see, we do have the front seal greased. We are going to put a little bit of grease on our freshly fixed balancer. Don't need a lot. I watch people use way too much. Especially right here where the sliding surface is. And like I said, change the oil 500 miles after you do this. A little bit on the inside so it slides nice and good when you go to put your pressure to it. Other than that, it's ready to go. Okay, that's not going to work out. You're missing the middle spindle, dude.
I have it. This is it. This is supposed to slide in between the balancer. That's how the bolt works, and it goes into that little thing right there.
Well, then that's going to be in a specialized tool. If you got something else in that kit we're not seeing.
No, that's it. That's...
Okay, that doesn't even fit the bolt hole.
No, it doesn't.
So in the process trying to put this balancer back on, we end up finding out that our kit here does not fit this because the shank here is too long. It looks like from the research that I did, the LS version is actually shorter, and pretty much the LS and the 3800 too kind of have some similarities, although sizing may be different. So what can you do? If you go to the store and rent a kit and it still doesn't work, well, you got one other option. You can use the bolt, and it looks like to me, from working with GM for many, many years, that they had actually engineered this bolt to do exactly what we're going to do with it, use it to drive the balancer back in. Now, I will say though, if you start running into problems, it doesn't feel like it's going, don't force it. You're going to have to buy the tool online. They're about 30 to 70 bucks. What I'm going to do is I'm put a little grease here so it has some slip and slide, reduce the friction so we have a good easy pull. I mean, other than that, that's about all we can do. So I'm going to use just a little bit of Molly. And I'll put just a little on the face here. Now we already lubed the inside and the seal and all that, so we're good there. But to make this as painless and easy as possible, a little bit of slip and slide doesn't hurt nothing. Alright, let's get busy. So what we do is we hold it at the flywheel with these 3800s, albeit people do have some interesting methods to get these things tightened and loosened. We like to do it the right way. Yep, just a little bit of grease and you can see it's coming on pretty good. Someone's going to give me crap in the comments, and I'm just going to tell you this much, you know, you can leave a dissenting comment, but if you're negative, rude, or straight out leave profanity, it ain't going to fly, Chuck.
And no one's going to have money to buy an $80 installer tool.
You got to find one first. All the ones I saw might work. You still might be down to having to do it this way. I would love to have every tool for every job, but that's just not reality. Sometimes you got to use what you have. And I don't know, I'm not real excited about using an impact to do this. Take it off is one thing, putting it on is another. Alright, she torqued up pretty quick. 110 foot-pounds and a 76-degree turn. Being this bolt stopped. Alright, so we're going to test the torque first and then we'll do the turn. So one thing I found with the Series 2, there's a lot of bolts that have turns and you can feel the twist. Ready?
Yep.
Wow. You're not holding it.
I am holding it. You're moving me across the floor.
Yeah, I know.
Go.
Okay, ready?
Go.
Maybe just a little bit more.
Go.
That's it. 76-degree turn is almost like a quarter-degree turn. Alright folks, so that's how you get one of these balancers back on without specialty tools. Alright, we're gonna move on. Well, this thing running in no time.